big day today. Today we hit the 20,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for that to all of my friends. And to celebrate, we are gonna give away these model engines. So here's what I'm going to do. I have here numbers from 1 to 100, and this represents the comments on each video. I will choose, I'm gonna take one of these numbers, random numbers, and then that number it's going to be for a comment. So I'm going to check the position of those comments on the specific video. If you commented on this video right here about the Yumbao, I'm going to give away that model engine for the specific number I pick from here. And the same for Nia, same for James, and the same for the custom golden Thomas. Okay, let's begin with the custom golden Thomas. Custom golden Thomas is in good working condition. I will not include any batteries because it's prohibited by the post office. Okay, so let's begin. We have the number 32. Now let's find the comment number 32, beginning from the oldest to the newest. Okay, we are looking at the video giveaway custom golden Thomas. Now we have 79 comments right here. We are gonna sort it for the newest first. Those will be on top, so we gotta go all the way down. So we are looking here at the oldest comment right here, and we're gonna count until we find the number 32 comment. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So here we have our winner of the custom golden Thomas. Now the next model engine, Yumbao, new in a box, sealed. We're gonna give away this Yumbao, and again we have here some sorted numbers from 1 to 100, and we gotta find the comment that will belong to any of these numbers that I'm going to pick. Okay. Now we are looking at the Yumbao video right here of the giveaway. Again, we gotta sort the newest comments, and we gotta go back and down all the way down to find the first comments. Now we are ready to pick the numbers. I'm gonna shake a little bit, and then we gotta pick a number. Let's see. We got the number 17. Okay, here's the first comment. Let's go until we find the number 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there is the name of the channel or subscriber, Jackson Hydro. So you are the winner of the Yumbao. So the next giveaway is Nia and the Elephant right here in a sealed box, brand new. Again, we're going to do the same we gotta pick a number on this bag, and we wanna find out the comment that belongs to that number. Again. Okay, and now we have a number 45. Wow, 45. Okay, now we are looking at the video of Nia and the elephant. This is going to be very easy because we have only 45 comments and we gotta sort the newest, and that's the last comment right here is the winner, Lemon Wedge Productions. Alright, here's the last model engine of the giveaway of today, and this is a custom black James right here. It's in working condition. You already seen this model engine on the videos, so let's go straight to the point. So we have the numbers again mixing, and we gotta find the comment that belongs to that number, and we got okay, number 23. Let's find that comment. Alright, we're looking at the page of the custom black James video right here of the giveaway. We have 95 comments and we gotta sort these to the newest. The newest will be on the top and the oldest ones are on the bottom. So we gotta find the comment number 23 right here. Is the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Here is the winner, Random C. Okay, remember, if you want the model engine, for the US you gotta pay $5 shipping, for Canada it's $12, and for the rest of the world is between $24 to $28. So Tukinator 15, if I'm pronouncing it right or not, he won a custom golden Thomas. Jackson the Hydro, or Hydro, I don't know how to spell that, won John Bao the Hero. I put it wrong on that page. Anyways, Lemon Wedge Productions, he won Nia and the Elephant. And Random C, he won a black custom James. So there you guys have it. So if you guys have seen this video and you are the winners, please contact me, send me a message, and so we can arrange the shipping. If you don't want to claim or you can't pay the shipping, we can give away to other subscribers. So again, thank you guys very much for watching my videos and subscribing. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to activate the notifications bell. Subscribe for those new. Please subscribe and give it a like. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.